Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. In my opinion, you need to learn when to grow. Extremely important. Let me move this back so you can see a little bit more of my head. You need to learn to know when to grow. Because if you grow at the wrong time in your business, or if you grow too quickly, or if you're just not really in a place where growth is, optimal right now, you might do more harm than good. Okay. It wasn't until I understood exactly when the correct timing was for me to expand my business extremely quickly that it allowed me to sustainably grow and to sustainably be able to, get the business that I believe I deserve. For example, a time when I grew incorrectly would be on an e-commerce business when I was growing so fast and I was hiring more people than what I expected I was going to hire, and I was not keeping track of my accounting. I was having way too many expenses. The product profit margins were going down, and a lot of different things were occurring, and it just caused my business to mess up. The same thing with our current business. Same thing. If you grow too fast, if you grow in the wrong timing or in the wrong way, you're going to self-destruct. And you're going to ruin all of your progress. If you don't want to do that, if you want to get a step-by-step way to start moving forward and actually know what you need to do, go join my free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, we're giving you everything that you need to start step-by-step improving those aspects of your life. Have a great day. Talk to you soon, and see you later.